I just got the DJI drone. It's in the mail. So turns out it wasn't delayed. Got my buddy Ezra here.
Let's go.
And we're gonna try to do an unboxing video. So yeah. Merry Christmas, guys.
It's not Christmas.
Happy Thanksgiving, guys. So
Dude,
happy Christmas. I decided to wear my Santa hat because I want it to be Christmas all the time. Okay, let's get to the video. Okay, one thing that I did not account for was when you're getting the DJI store, which is probably a pretty big thing to get. It'll tell you like repair service. You can get extra parts specifically from here. There's tutorials there, but it says 1 hour and 38 minutes. It's the longest I think I've ever had an app download. So it used to say 5 hours. That's why I took the video. But anyway, okay. So I got the DJI Mini 4K. I already made a couple of videos about this. Ezra's here, commentator, filmer guy. He's gonna be helping me. So you can take a seat. So the first thing you see is this black bag, and it's way higher quality than I thought it was on the Amazon thing. Has a little DJI logo right there. It's like looks like actual leather, which is cool. That's when we're probably gonna go fly this after.
yeah, it's pretty cool today.
But yeah, it has like I don't know. It's really nice quality, way better quality than you think. So it has these little cushion compartments. This all came in wrapping. I've already opened it up and unwrapped it. But here's the controller. The little joysticks are down there. You can unscrew them and put them back in here. So you screw them in like this, and there's the controller. The first problem I had when I was opening this was I was looking for the charging cable from the phone to the like actual remote, and I couldn't find it. Well, there were a couple charging cables up in this top section here, and there was like an Android one, so USB-C to USB-C, and I could not find the lightning cable, and I was like freaking out because I have an Apple phone. And then I realized it's like right in here, so you just have to pull this out. Oh, I just turned it on, and there's the lightning cable if you have an Apple phone. So that just winds up in there, which is honestly really convenient because you can just have it in there.
Yeah, it's pretty compacted and lightweight.
Yeah, like this weighs nothing. You just put it on your arm. It's insane. So cannot wait to fly it. But here's the remote. There's cinematic modes, normal and sport mode. Probably could make an ASMR video about this. Has some pretty cool sounds. There's like a literal speaker right here. Yeah, so it's kind of cool.
Good.
Next thing is all the extra things that it came with. So these are all extra propellers for every single propeller that there is. So like left, right, all those. So in the actual pictures on Amazon, which I don't know why Amazon doesn't get their pictures right. Like, come on. It showed that they had a 2-hub battery pack, which was kind of sad because I kind of wanted 3. That's why I'm spending a lot of money on this. Comment Saul's poor in the comments. Anyway, so it comes with a 3-way charging pack. It comes with some really cool stickers. Like, I love them a lot. Don't know why I put one on my phone, but that one's on my phone. But came with all these little instructions, like how to fly in New Zealand, Australia, Japan, different guides for that, which is probably pretty useful. Came with a little screwdriver if you're putting on the propellers, which is nice. And then, of course, it came with the drone, because that would be bad if it didn't come with the drone. And comes with a little camera case, which was also not on the Amazon pictures. It didn't show this, which I was kind of bummed, because I was like, it didn't come with a protector. That's not good. The gimbal is so cool. It, like, has its own shocks and whatever. So, can't wait to use this. It comes with this little propeller strap. I can take that off. Little button right there. What's really cool is, unlike the traditional cheap drones, you can just pull this out and it like comes out of the bottom, which I think is super cool. But anyway, there's the drone. I think that looks cool.
The one complaint though that we don't like is the SD card is just right there.
Yeah, so if you land this in like a wet, dewy like place, like wet grass, could get in the charging port for the battery if you're charging the battery in here. And then the SD card's just exposed, which I just hate because like if you hit something, this thing's gonna come flying out. Like it's just loose now. So you just pull it straight out. So that's not good. Okay, so the thing I bought separately, this does not come with the bundle. I repeat, does not come with the fly bundle. So I got this little pack, which is very hard to open. So I am going to be mostly filming fish and like water areas of me fishing because that's what my YouTube channel is about. So, I got these filters. They're called ND filters, but you want to make sure that when you're buying the ND filters, which they're honestly kind of expensive, but you want to make sure when you're buying them that you find one of the filters that says CPL, which is polarized. So that means it won't get a really strong glint. So it's pretty much polarized like glasses over the camera. So it's like a pretty much just like sunglass looking kind of thing. And when you put it on the camera, you want to make sure that, first of all, it's really clipped on there because you don't want to lose your filter. But that's what it looks like, just little sunglasses. I haven't taken off the sticker yet, but you want to, I'll make another separate video about this, but you're going to want to turn up your frame rate to twice as much as it is, so you get more smoother quality when you're like flying over water instead of like blocky quality, because if you're flying by and you move your camera, it's going to just look like really jagged kind of video quality. So I made a separate video about that. That'll be down in the description. And yeah, so there's CPL filter. That's for polarized.
Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Hopefully we can cut to the water, see some fish swim.
Yeah, which is gonna be awesome because in Mexico I'll be flying over mountains or flying over places that our car can't go to see if we should be able to hike there and look for fish. The second thing is why they're called ND filters. They aren't all CPLs. These two are ND8 and ND16. They are darker and darker shades, so you can turn up your frame rate, which is the amount of times that it's taking a ton of little pictures inside your video, almost like FPS. And that is the frame rate. What am I saying? FPS is the frame rate. Turn up your FPS to twice, and instead of getting like the blocky because it's taking photos each time, you're gonna get a smooth. Oh yeah, another bonus that I forgot to mention was the battery pack. So this is a charger, but it's extremely heavy, like really really heavy, and it is actually apparently a battery pack. So you can see the separation in the line right there. You see that? Camera will focus. There's a line right there, and I think this is actually like a battery pack because you can charge stuff from it. So you charge this, it'll go blinking right here, then once that's full, it'll go to this one, and then it'll fill up the whole thing, and you can charge your remote and your phone off of this, it says on the instructions. So that's a cool bonus that was not in the introduction videos or anything, so kind of cool. But I'm going to be filming this year a movie with my friend, because it's part of his school that he has to do something that he's never done before, and he has to spend 30 hours on it. So we're going to be doing that this year. So there's going to be a lot of footage probably coming out soon. Plus I'm going to Mexico this year too for 4 weeks. So I'll be fishing and filming there. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. There's I'm going to be making a ton of videos. There's no promises though that I'm going to be able to upload them because there's like zero internet and Wi-Fi down there. So yeah, be ready for that. But I'm gonna make a couple little shorts showing all these, so if you've watched this video you don't have to watch the other shorts, but those will be linked down in the description.
Now we're gonna go test it out.
Yeah, see you guys. Okay, we're on our way to the park right here. See you there.
Dairy Mart.
Okay, we got Dairy Mart hot chocolates. And time to fly the drone. There's a couple dogs in the park, but it seems like they're about to be leaving, so time to get out of here. This is the first time I've ever flown it, so let's see how this works. I literally
so you're just like maiden voyage?
Yeah.
We got the drone up, so testing it now. Trying to learn how to control it. Pretty easy for a drone. I mean, it's complicated, but easy.
Look at the video. So you can turn up and down the camera.
Here's us right now. Hello.
Here, wait, wave. Look to it and wave. Cool.
Show you some stuff after, but yeah, pretty cool.
Ooh, that's fast. What's up, buddy? Wait, take off. I don't know how to take video. So there's not much light left. So it's pretty dark outside. But Ezra went home, flew the drone, and my fingers are about to fall off. So heading back home, be some new footage coming out soon, and I'm going to Mexico. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like stuff like this, fishing, drones, fun, subscribe and consider watching more videos. Thank you. See ya. Okay, so the first thing is this black bag, which honestly has way more quality. What? Why'd you go? Why'd you... Next thing is all the extra things. Okay, that'll be in the bloopers. Smoother, it's gonna be very fluid, but thank you, remote. But if you're going to be taking these, I'm gonna say remote trouble.
Excuse interruption.
Oh my gosh! Okay, we got Dairy